Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about why are security operations centers SOCs growing rapidly. Nowadays, sophistication of the attacks increasing and the quantity even of the attacks is continuously growing. Hackers or the cyber criminals continuously are evolving very sophisticated, very technically sound tools, techniques, procedures to just attack on a company, on a network, on the data, or on the information. Okay, so the role of the SOC is here very important because they need to continuously observe what kind of traffic is just passing through their network. Okay, who are the person or the service are just trying to access on the restricted part of their network or the data. Okay, so there are a lot of things happening in the cyber security and SOC are the reason growing rapidly in this field. Okay, so let's see what type of tasks they need to perform. Okay, first of all, whatever the security product or the appliances we are using in our organizations, we are having certain expectations giving the protection to our network, to our devices, to our data. Okay, so we create a security baseline. Yes, these are the expectations. They need to give a protection. Okay, and to just whatever the baseline we have selected, whether that's performing up to the mark, whether that's performing well, behaving well. Okay, so they need to find out if any kind of attack is just passing through our security systems. Okay, they need to detect it. Okay, and if whatever the breach happened, okay, they also need to respond as per that, so that they can stop the damage of that attack, and in future that kind of attack will not happen. Okay, so this is just not a one task, a complete life cycle. Okay, so just to performing so many tasks. So just even in this diagram you can see here, tracking the logs from the different devices. Okay, just make aggregating, correlating them. Okay, and analyzing all these things into the security information event management. Okay, they are just trying to understand it, what are the sense out of this is making, what type of attacks or alerts right now in our organization, how to fight against all this. Okay, and if some kind of attack is happening or the breach happen, this generate the tickets. Okay, so that high level or the we can say specialized people can just take care of it. Okay, and continuously increasing their knowledge base. They just follow the procedure in the previous uh, in previously what kind of attacks happened and what steps we took to just take measures against those attacks. Okay, so just they need to keep evolving their database. Clear? And the threat intelligence, apart from their own system, there are specialized organizations, companies which continuously observing the data is passing through the internet, passing through from different companies, what kind of attacks, newly attacks they are observing, what type of the solutions for those attacks. So they need to even concern from the threat intelligence. Okay, they can have their in-house, or as a we can say subscription, they can also take advantage of it. Okay, and continuously they need to research development on it. What if this is the new attack, what was the modus of operandi and what was the reverse engineering. They just try to identify the exact reason behind it and what the way that kind of malicious softwares or the attacks are happening. Okay, and then they just create the reporting of it. So just you can see here, this is not only one task, there are multiple tasks. So that definitely they need a team, expert team, and there are we can say huge shortage of expert manpower in this field. Okay, and being a security intelligence capabilities, what kind of opportunity can be for you? Okay, there can be like if you know about the logs, you know about the SIM properly, definitely even with that particular skill you can get a wonderful job. Okay, if you know about data analysis, there can be opportunity for it. Okay, near time alert, what are the attacks are happening, you can identify all these things, and on the real time you can respond it against those attacks. Okay, and the security intelligence, in depth knowledge of the attacks, so what are the indicators of the compromise, a lot many things are required. Okay, and definitely from the initial level to expertise, there is no limit, you can expand your knowledge, you can learn so many things, and definitely a bright future is waiting for you. Just you can see here, there is the continuously growth in this market. Okay, from 2019 to just 2026, you can see it just continuously growing, because cyber criminals are not, will not stop themselves. They will how strong security we will implement in our organization, definitely they will find another way to just break it down. Okay, so huge opportunities. I'm just take a pause and think for a moment. Are you ready? If not, what type of skills you need? Just find out. And follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism and get the notification for the next interesting informative session, and also share that video with your friends and the group members so that they will be able to understand why SOCs are growing so rapidly. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about, can you avoid the phishing? Okay, I just give so many lectures, so many sessions I just delivered. I want to know whether you are able to avoid phishing emails or the phishing type of data when you receive. Namaste. See you in the next session.